The other side of that is localization, where it's focusing on what's in your world that you can add to and serve and appreciate and harmonize with. And it's not about, you know, setting each other apart from one another, and it's not about creating rivalries between different communities and whatnot. It's just being realistic and practical. Like on the airplane, if we start going down, you've got to put on your own oxygen mask before you can help anybody else. And this idea of localization is that same way of we've got to look at where we are in our local economies and say what food grows here, what opportunities are here, what resources are here, what people are here, and what gifts do they bring within right here where I have some kind of control over the influence that I have, and how can we direct our energies toward those influences.